5 Best Kitchen Gadgets. Electric cooker. From Simple Taste. With this awesome electric cooker you can easily make hard or soft boiled, poached eggs or omelets. It has auto-off functionality along with over temperature and low water protection ensure safe use. It's multifunctional, not only steam eggs to hard-boiled perfection, but use the included BPA-free bowl to poach your eggs and steam vegetables and other food items. Simply remove the egg holder and slash or bowl and wash these parts with detergent and a sponge. AF101 Air Fryer. From Ninja. Now you can enjoy guilt-free food. Air fry with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. 105 degree F, 400 degree F allows you to gently remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp foods with convection heat. 4-quart ceramic coated non-stick basket and crisper plate fit 2 pounds of French fries. Multi-layer rack, increase your dehydrating capacity. Comes with dishwasher safe parts. Silicone garlic peeler. From OXO. This silicone garlic peeler has unique shape which keeps garlic cloves inside while peeling. Garlic cloves come out peeled, peels stay inside. And stay free of smell of garlic. The stores neatly in its vented plastic box. Safe to use in dishwasher. Herb scissors set. From Chefest. Looking for the best combination of performance and value? This unique set offers you 5-blade herb shears, 2 drawstring herb bags, and safety cover with a cleaning comb. With quality stainless steel construction, 5 3-inch blades and an ergonomic TPR handle that won't slip, you're in complete control. It builds a cleaning comb right into the safety cover. It has also 30-day refund guarantee. Cast iron cleaner. From The Ringer. The Ringer uses premium grade never rusting stainless steel that is machine soldered, and built for strength. When you buy the Ringer, you aren't going to be left with some flimsy, hand-crimped chain mail. Wash off the grit and preserve the flavor with soapless, detergent-free grit removal. This multi-purpose scrubber can be used for cast iron, glassware, stainless steel, a pizza stone, plates, baking sheets, a teapot and many things.